Yo,
Tang, take it, tang.
okay, that's what stand dig dang mean? You come in a bad man, sir. You can't spell stand dig dang.
I be in the man singing, man.
Spell it.
Spell, stang, take it, dang.
Maggy.
Kalekwa, I want to them being Jones. You're good, bro.
Yeah, man.
I'm alright, man. I go up on the farm there, yeah. Yes, now you're here. Anti-farm. Big up. General. Yes. Wagwan, youth.
Wagwan.
Pick up yourself, man, alright?
Yeah.
Yes, man, there you go through. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Look, man. Big up on yourself. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Heart of love, here. Never start to love. Hey, hold on. Hey, Rasta youth, hold on. No. It's a gun that. Boy, them look at youth and easy, you know. Don't know. Wagwan, auntie. So look come out there, here?
Alright.
Yeah, man, heart of love, man. You know, we never start to love that, you know. Wait, tell right. Wagwan, man.
Where baby there? How old is the baby?
I know me, man. I don't get no baby, man. Talk bad of me. I tell you, I'm not potent, man. No bother with that, man. Alright, tell right.
No sight like other youth there, so. Bring scratch. Hello, Sarge.
Hello, what man?
Me there, you know something there on the block and me I say. You look like a youth who we a look for I walk come down the lane. You know one white shirt. I want tear up khaki jeans. And I want big
Water boot.
Yeah, one water boot, you know. You might walk come down the lane now.
I think just fool. I him same one.
You might walk come on now, you know.
Listen, no make you escape and hold him.
Yeah, man. Alright, Sarge pink button.
I make sure you complete him.
Aye. Yo, come here, man. Come here, man.
Eh?
Come here. Watch her.
Officer,
How we are doing my shit?
everyone wanna text it from me, man.
Give me my shit, give me your shit, give me my shit.
I'm a real tool, this officer, man.
No, sir, no. Stay right there, sir, man. Where you come here, sir?
So what is for, officer?
What up, now, man? Not chatting.
I'm a criminal, you know.
What is that?
I'm a glass officer.
Oh, turn around, I'm searching. You know where the
So
pan.
now do Mr. Officer for another day. Hold on, yo.
That one bag of chatting.
Another day, Mr. Pink button text it from now. You can text it
How
from
you do
now.
it weed?
Eh?
What you do it weed?
You know, say,
No, Mr. What you do it weed?
I want to keep this on. Plant. You listen to that 1 ounce, man. I say, Mr. Wolness say we can carry 1 ounce.
How you thief this from now?
Eh?
Where you thief this from?
I'm not thief, me thief that.
Then how you do?
Eh?
Then how you do? This thief, man. Where you thief this from?
Me not thief, me no auntie.
So where you get this from then?
I'm a little baby cousin one, man.
Anyways, where gun there? Like where you see?
No,
you
no
have
gun.
that. Where gun?
No,
Where gun?
no gunman officer. I sent to me in my plant officer.
See where you see, see where you see. They're too close, man. Stand up right there, sir.
Yeah, embarrass me so in my community officer. I be an embarrassment and I go out, you know.
Yo, come on. You see?
Where you going? I'm not do nothing. No, I'm not like to know where you not charge me for, you know.
Yo, you get charged. Machete. Yes, so you're going.
I'm a gunman officer.
You're going to station. Tapping eyes on my youth. Come on, my youth.
So now
Come on, my youth. Tapping eyes, man.
Yo,
Come on, man.
I don't understand this, you know.
That station.
I'm not troublemaker, man.
Look how you ugly so. Look how you ugly so. Look how you ugly so. You're ugly from a long time ago. Look how you man so. See how you grow so. Look how you man so. See how you grow so. Look how you ugly so. Ugly from a long time ago. Look how you start so. Watch how you reach so. See how you man so. Watch how come you go so. Look how you
Come.
Officer, you deal with me, so man.
Open so much.
Officer, you're not have to deal with me, so you know. That's great.
Every one of them done. This is where people get charged. I don't like people. This is what they are going on.
So, make this one here.
And this is what they are going on. Every cell full.
I'll just put one people
Can I
on.
be a son of man?
So, I'm not turn up, officer.
I don't want to hear no disturbance here.
Oi. Hey, I go on bad man self. Why off your foot there, so boy? Which one am I for off my foot? Boy, see Clark, they take off your slippers too. Grounds out man self. Officer Young, why you get charged for?
We get charged for thief things.
That alone?
For shoplifting.
Alright, man, you bring in a man. Boy, kneel on over there, so. Kneel on over there, so. Officer Young, why boy thief?
I'm an old man panty, you know.
Hey boy. Hey boy, get up, man. You want to know?
You want to know now, General?
Hey boy, attitude you give bad man, I'm a run boy, you know boy. Hey boy, know yourself boy, attitude, hey boy. Hey boy, you don't know me a who?
I'm a face,
You don't hear about me? Hey boy, you friend them already. Don't tell about me boy. Hey boy.
General, sorry. Please me a bit.
Me know your general boy, how you man? Hey boy.
Please me a bit.
Go over there son of corner boy. Alright, no boy. You want to know too? Want to give me the latest song where they are road. They can't sing. Which artists are on the place?
You know, say a chronicle run out, my general.
Sing a song.
What kind of song?
Hey boy, I say if you sing a song, now where they come from boy, they ask me say which artist or which song. Hey boy, don't ramp with me now.
We say any kind of my general.
Boy, I say if you sing a song now.
My general. So, you want one of the latest one then?
Boy, hurry up.
My general. The boy them a child this week. The boy them a child and yet we gunshot reach now their face. You see me general?
Son, good. You don't say I have talent youth, but the only thing I rate with you, You rob people place, bro. You can't thief jaws off a wire. Cool on yourself. Make sure you're stuck if fan. But I rotate, you know. Hold this. But I rotate if fan, you know. Stuck it. Put it on 3. But wait, correct man.
No, my general.
Boy, me make current come back.
No.
Boy, me need to have it up. Yo, ease up on our bad man. Too much of that man. Ease up now, man. I'll ask you some question. Want to try your court case now. Where you come from?
I come from around Palm Tree Lane.
Palm Tree.
Yeah.
Oh. So you know what being give them?
Oh?
You know what being give them?
Yeah, not really, but I know them.
You not really. You not really. What is you not really? Boy, I don't say you're dunce. You're fully dunce. Me didn't think me dunce, but you're dunce at me. Why your part?
Yeah, myself, par.
Yeah, yourself part.
Yeah, me have my own little thing.
You sure?
Yeah, man.
Make sure you not tell me no lie, no man.
No, so I'm not telling a lie, bossy.
So who you related to?
I don't know my people, then.
You know say you take bad man for idiot boy.
Yeah, no.
Yo, sit down there, sir. Sit down there, sir. But wait, before you sit down, salute, cause for you tap in I cell, I'll know you not salute to bad man.
What?
Boy, me say for salute.
Salute you, boy.
Boy.
No, alright. Yeah, me general.
Oh. Yeah, learn. Can you see things them when me do in a corner over there? 4 of them. I me do that.
Are you do that? Are you do that, my general? And then this I said and then put me in a... Oh, mad. See?
You talk about bombard. Yo, what you want to do? Give me some joke.
What kind of joke?
What I mean what kind of joke? You know see how in I place sad? You know long man they are stressed out. Hey, run some joke now.
Alright, my general. Me have one. Why you take me teeth panty?
Me don't know why.
Try panty of your auntie.
Hey boy. I didn't see this bad. Hey boy. I didn't see this bad man.
I know this man is some general.
Hey boy.
I say me if you run some joke, general. Say me I run some joke.
Hey boy, I don't know if you don't run joke with bad man like.
Sorry, my general. Alright, me have one more joke, my general. Me have one more joke.
Really?
You know what did the mouth say to the teeth?
What?
Fix your mouth.
Hey boy, I don't say it.
No, general, what you know? Please, I
Hey
do
boy, you know what I mean for? Hey boy, you know what I mean for? But what did the mouth say to the teeth? You know what my gun said to boy I road?
Bow.
Hey boy, let's take this thing. The joke thing boy.
You act no, you're gonna take the boy I road now.
You know say I waste time on the boy. You know say me I go to sleep though. You want to know? You see, you run the same bike there.
Oh,
and when you go ride the bike, you say shit off. And when you want piss, you say piss off.
Shit off, piss off.
I remember today is Sunday, you know. No bike can ride, you know.
Alright, my general.
Hey! Where you go, bad man? Eh? Where you go? See your bed there, sir. Come here, where you take bad man self up?
General, but I two bed in there.
That the bed there for people, analyze people. You analyze people. No shop your broke. No shop your broke. Hey boy, you better turn on the radio too, you know. And put it on volume 5, because I don't want it too loud.
What do you mean by that, my general?
Sing! That me mean. Sing with me here. And make sure you're not too loud, volume 5 good.
Boy, try this me and we shoot them. Cause we are bad man. Bad.
Hey. Change the channel. The channel enough here. The channel of a bad man. You better find RFM.
Welcome to RFM News Farm. Put them in, RFM. Today, we're talking about
Alright, go ahead after young and put this one in that cell and take that one out. Dwayne Matna is to be deal, okay?
Yes.
Yeah man, so put this one around there.
Okay, sir. Can I put this man?
Acha, one more in a bad man cell.
Dwayne McNash, I want to come to bail you.
Yo, make sure something reach you down in the Richard Road, you know.
Yeah, man, Major.
There was a problem when I come out and I send to man, you know.
Come, hurry up.
Yo, my general, I'm sorry for you, my general. That the cell where them are saying, you know, where they analyze people, you know, better they go in a different cell, you know. I mean, you're not a bad man, so if you're not a bad man, you're sorry for you, my general.
You must
Stay right there.
man.
Sarge, see me now.
You must go in a analyze.
Oh, so you have to go in at that only cell available right now.
Look me a big one.
I have to go in there, man. Come on. Come, you have to go in there.
But wait, how this a nerdy a go under this big water boat? You wipe off your foot, your boat.
Hello. I'm just gonna be here for a little bit. Later on, we go take him back.
But Officer Young, he can't the grounds out man cell. Make him wipe off his shoes.
Wipe here.
So nerdy. Watch out.
One of the cell, no man.
Bossy. How are you? Why you move so shaky?
You know what I say? Me just shoot up some people a while ago. Don't go, sir.
Oh. But you're one of them.
Yeah.
So where you come from?
Eh?
And where you come from? Why you move so shaky, brother?
I gun then just charge me for that side.
Oh, me can't pardon, man. So you move so shaky, brother. You sure I got it?
Yeah, man, I gun.
Hey, boy, you sure? Must find out, you know. So you move so?
Eh?
Why you move so?
Nah, I move that way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you sure say analyze somebody and then hold up a gun?
Yeah, man. Big mazooka then hold me with a wall.
Oh. As a queen to a queen man and people, all another people, man, and me have to part.
Eh?
Yo, but you know, see top from ya. I give you respect, man. See that top from ya. I feel me it's still in but true me need kinda hurt me. Yeah. You can't go and hold off up here, man. But
Things say they don't cheat my body now.
from queen to queen, you know, man. Can't cheat in a way, you know, man. Cause it's where we are going to court, you know, man. So, can't hold off your bed, man, already, man.
Yeah, man. I'm ready, man.
But, yeah, I'm say I have nerves problem.
No, I mean, I really have nerves problem. Yeah, when me little, me used to have nerves problem. And then, my mother named Gwen. And he did boil some soursop leaf and give me.
So, you hold like the big gun there and a shake, so?
Boy, better me know, but me knocky, na.
Tough. Real tell me that, yo.
Knocky, man.
Tough.
Yo, you see how many police boys see me?
You knock 2 of them.
Knock 2 of them. Yo, bitch, the boy ain't afraid of me already, na.
You know, say charge it. You know, say a couple months. Well, me not doing no charge it.
Yo, general, me ain't afraid for box down all that boy, na, man.
And I same thing you out.
Yo, I saw we deal it, boy. And all boy in a throat and hey boy, me match up hey boy.
Right.
I them the way that we deal with things in general.
Wow, things are
Yeah,
right,
bad
man.
boy, road man. Yo, I'm fair, man. No boy, thing, man.
What I mean, man?
Oh, good boy. Yeah, boy. You know what I mean?
Yo, you don't know, say, boy, we come out while ago and look a nerd, brother.
Yeah, me see it, man.
Yeah, in a long time.
Me see it, man. You see what I mean? I want... Yeah, boy, what man, truth and say... Yo, you know, yo, some of that deal with me, man.
You can say a real queen on the road now.
I want to tell you, man.
To tell me something. How much do you pay the on the road?
Eh?
Much do you pay the on?
Yo, right now, man, top check my youth. Cause right now, to my grind, you know, you see it? Top check now, I can't count it again, man.
So how much I think?
How much me... Yo, youth. Enough, man, about, let me see. Well, 14, 15, 16 I go up, man. More than that, man. That's it.
So a real queen on the road?
Yeah, man, enough, man. Yeah,
real
man.
Queen, man.
A town I come from, man. Me never, yo.
Which part of town?
Alright, watch out now. You see? When I live in a town, you see?
Yeah.
My mother did move come up a country. But me never really stay up long enough. Me did just go back down there. And then now, the place where I come from up there, that's a name, that's a way like, me never want nobody to know this. So you see, like, you know a few things already. So me just not really make no boy call in a name around there. Any boy call in a name, a boy, I'm tell you what. You know them with any boy call around in a name, I'm just flip them in their face and say, boy, no. You see it? Run a son of a name, no name, you.
Tough, my dog.
Yeah, man, that's some of the badness, man.
Boy, you know, say I want to forward up him in the pan still, my dog.
Yeah, that little bit, man. Like that, we got chain on you.
Anyway, yeah, nobody can be there because your type of charge not really. Your type of charge not really that big in it. We saw cutlass and we be catching with you, so yeah, nobody can be there. Talk up, no man. Stop wasting my time.
Yo, man, bad man.
Yeah, bad man, way. Man, stop wasting my time, yeah, man.
Alright, let me give my mother number.
Tell me.
381 80 98.
Alright.
Officer Young, can I ask you a question?
I want me know.
You sure cutlass and weed the holy mood?
You there? You're not here.
I'm going to hold me. Stop telling I'm going to hold me.
Hey boy, shut up round there.
Alright, officer.
I call you, mother.
I'm going to hold me. You're out here.
Why you so lie, boy?
Alright.
Why you so lie? Boy. Why you so lie? Boy.
Well, man, I'm going to hold me, but...
Sweep up the place. No, hey boy, sweep up the place. Use that and sweep up in there.
I'm going to say...
Boy!
Alright.
Boy, sweep up in there, boy.
Alright.
Boy!
Yeah, man, it, man.
Right? You say nobody to be there, but people still are confiscated. All I'm on this. Still are confiscated. All I'm on this, are they?
Thank you, auntie. I will send it for me.
The people, when
Thank you, man. No jinx. Get no jinx.
no, sir.
Oh. Thank you.
Pass my food, give me.
Yeah? I'm your food, man. That's what I'm doing. Just here, you know?
Dinner ready, man.
Yeah. We don't get man, but so me just hold it till me never wake up, is it?
Delicious. So what you are gonna eat?
Eh?
What you are gonna eat?
Me good man, me not really hungry.
Oh. Good food this you know.
Me can't get piece of meat.
No sir, but you can get a smell of it though. Smell it? Smell good, not true?
Yeah. Hey. You're grinding, man. You're grinding, sir.
Yo.
You're grinding, man. You see, don't know, yo.
A man in there, you know. No say place look.
Yeah, man, me know, say, me know, man. But you don't know, say. You know, turn bad man on the time still, no?
Yo, for you coming in, you know, turn on the radio, you live life, man. Yo, put the radio on Zip FM.
Zip FM.
As a matter of fact, want to perform live performance. Want to feel like a sunfest with it. Some want to perform like Bunty and the artist there.
Bunty. Get out, get out. Yo. You know, say it's killer, yo.
Yo, jump higher than that, man.
Yo. You know, it's killer, yo. Yo, what you do? Shoot the water. Kill off them boy, I'm shoot them boy. We're not responsible them boy. Hey, yo.
So you're top for?
No, car. So me not really serious. So me I kind of run out of it. Is it?
Onyx performance, man. You Onyx piece.
Alright, which one now?
Alright, Beanie now.
Beanie. Stang ding dang dang. Stang ding dang dang.
Yo.
Stang ding dang.
What kind of what stang ding dang mean? You're coming a bad man, sir. You can't spell stang ding dang.
A Beanie man singing man.
Spell it.
Stang ding dang. Stang. She just say no white thing in a car. Stang sound like a tongue.
Hey boy, you know say. Just get me for cool boy. Hey boy, sit on this, sir. Boy, sit on this, sir. No. You know what I'm saying?
Well, you say I'm singing on Beanie Man youth.
You know what I'm saying? I'm not a nerd in myself, though.
Man, I'm not nerd, brother.
I train you. You smoke. Well, I've got smoke today. You want to light up this, sir? You know if you light up it?
Yeah, man, me this my grandfather used to light them up.
Light him, let me see.
But my father always sent me in and fit deep. Because to me, because sense
Yo, light him, let me
but
see.
that's true, I sell me not so monkey.
So, man, I want to do this,
Alright.
man. So, how kind of nerd this officer young bringing on myself?
No, me say feel light it. And I say feel light it.
Bad man. What up? You good, brother? Yo, give me this.
Yeah,
give
my
me
boy
this.
is man.
Give me this. Cause me no want to do it myself.
Nah, man, me burn off him, man. Because me must have sense me planting, but two me not really burn a case in here. You see it?
Why name?
Eh?
What is name?
Eh?
What is name?
A crazy name.
This look like a crazy name. A crazy glue you want to say?
No, two, me see enough people burn it and then some sitting come up in and teeth like a yellow. And I said, that's why I said two, that yellow sitting come up as I said they must crazy.
Yeah, you know, say I have to hurry up, come out of this.
No, I said hurry up, but two see, if you feel one in a few teeth right, that's a.
Yo, you know
I joke me running.
Hey boy, you know say it bad man.
No man.
Hey boy. Hey boy. Oh, you chat too bad man. I hear that boy.
A real thing man. I thought a real thing. Man, not for this man.
Let me show you your puffy.
Yeah.
You hold it like this as a gangster. And you go so. Simple. You want to try it?
Where's it now? Like
Hold it so. Like a gangster put.
two years like that's a
Yeah.
like so.
Yo, give me this. Where you shake so you out?
No good man.
You sure brother? You have asthma?
No. Me must have sense me in my plant them way there. So me no really. Sometimes we burn out all the patch of grass and it sends me in a light up and me smell it.
Yeah.
So me no burn that.
All of the officer they sinful lock you up.
And then I want me nothing.
Yo, that the officer they
I
sin.
want me nothing my youth. I don't want me run bogun.
Me as a police, me not lock you up. A Bellevue them for send you.
This man.
Wrong place there right now, brother. Bellevue you have to go.
Yo, I fool let that man for my youth. Like I want to this man my youth. My Bellevue my youth.
Yo, I raise a voice off for me. Get up on here,
Yo, get up on here. Nah, get up on no kneel long in this my youth. I want to tell you.
boy. Get up.
Yo.
Kneel on now.
No, no long nothing.
Boy, kneel on.
Yo, what you do?
I JP bad man.
Eh? But are you provoke that one, my youth? True, you provoke me, man. I do up me there run, man. Like you said, that chain me. Well, Officer Young. Sarge. Well,
You good, brother? Kneel on.
Jigidi goes to jail.
hold on, boy, like so now, subscribe up. Oh, for a while, me telling me say subscribe. It's a joking thing with the pan. My son. I train a year, but I run down.
Okay, boy.
Now yourself, mama. So, now, yo, you. What's on you subscribe to Maggy Films already?
No.
No? Where's the no?
No.
And oh, you say what? No, you say boy.